Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire easily. First, let's set up the game. You'll need a standard 52-card deck. Deal 7 tableau piles across your playing area. The first pile gets 1 card, the second 2, and so on, up to the 7th pile with 7 cards. Only the top card of each tableau pile is face up. The rest of the deck forms your draw pile, also called the stock. Now, let's talk about moving cards within the tableau. You want to build these piles in descending order, always alternating between red and black suits. For example, a red 8 can go on a black 9. You can move a single card or an entire sequence of correctly ordered cards together. If you create an empty column in the tableau, only a king can be moved into that space to start a new pile. Next, let's understand the stock pile and the foundations. Your goal is to build 4 foundation piles, 1 for each suit, in ascending order from ace to king. When you can't make any more moves in the tableau, draw cards from your stock pile. You can choose to draw them 1 at a time for an easier game, or 3 at a time for more challenge. Use these drawn cards to build on your tableau or directly onto the foundations. The ultimate goal of Solitaire is to move all 52 cards from the tableau and stock into the 4 foundation piles. To improve your chances, always try to expose face-down cards in the tableau as quickly as possible. This gives you more options. Also, prioritize moving aces and other low cards to the foundations whenever you can, as this frees up space and helps you build those crucial piles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.